Children, today we will see exercise 8.2. What is the question? Find out the statement that are true. Correct the false statement. If it is false, any of the statement, then we have to correct that statement. First question we will see. A straight angle is 180 degree. That day I explained you. Yes, that is 180 degree. That is true. Here you have to write it. True. The second, an obtuse angle measure more than 180. Obtuse angle is not more than 180. Obtuse angle is more than 90. That means the second one is false. Now you have to correct this statement. What is the correct statement? An obtuse angle measure more than 90 but less than 180. That is the correct statement. Third, an acute angle is less than 90. Yes, an acute angle we know it is less than 90 degree. That is true. Now the fourth one. At 3 o'clock, the hour and minute hand of a clock makes a right angle. 3 o'clock means this is 3 and this is 12. The hand will be like this. That means at 3 o'clock, the hour and minute hand of a clock makes a right angle. We know if it is 90 degree, that is right angle. That means this is also true. Is it clear? Second question. Identify the acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle from the following. Few degrees are given. From this we have to find which is acute, which is right angle, which is obtuse angle, which is straight angle. I have explained you all the four angles before. Now the first one, 120 more than 90, that is obtuse angle. 30 less than 90, that is acute angle. 90 degree, right angle. 180, that means a straight line, that is straight angle. 70 degree less than 90, that is acute angle. 105 more than 90, that is obtuse angle. 72 degree, that is less than 90, that is acute angle. 36, this is also less than 90, this is also acute angle. 15 degree less than 90, acute angle. 75 degree less than 90, this is also acute angle. Is it clear? Now the third question. Compare the pair of angle by measuring them. This is x and this is y. Y we can see it is less than 90. X it is greater than 90. Therefore x is greater. You have to put over here symbol. This is x, this is y. Both we can see it is equal, only it is inverted. This x is inverted. That means both are equal. Here x is also acute, y is also acute. Here the angle is little less, here the angle is little big. That means y is greater, angle y is greater. Here angle x and y we can see it is equal, only it is inverted. That means angle x equal angle y. Is it clear?